Okay, there are three ways that we're going to look at for calculating probability, and right now I'm going to look at the first of those three ways, the relative frequency approximation of probability. Now, in the relative frequency approximation, what we do is we conduct or observe a procedure and then count the number of times that event A actually occurs. So we're looking for the probability of event A. And in order to find the probability of event A, what we're going to do is we're going to run or we're going to conduct a procedure a certain number of times. And that number of times that we run the procedure, what we're going to want is we're going to want to count the number of times that we get event A actually happening. So in the denominator of a fraction, we're going to put the number of times the procedure is repeated. And in the numerator of the fraction, we're going to put the number of times A occurs. And this fraction will give us an estimate of the probability of event A. And it's based on historical information. So that's the first method we're going to look at.